Welcome back, Biloxi Indians. I'm Zoe Hallstrom with our announcements for the upcoming week. Be sure to vote for your grades homecoming court during your English class on Tuesday, and we'll have a busy day Wednesday with a lot happening on campus. Makeup pictures will be taken during school, and student council will have a meeting in the lecture hall at 3:20. The deadline to sign up and pay for the PSAT is also Wednesday, September 14th. Are you interested in attending an Ivy League school? Mark Dunn, a representative from Yale, will be on campus at 9:30. If you're interested, sign up with Miss Arnold in the Career Center. Thursday will be a college fair in the courtyard from 5:30 to 7:30. Remember to wear your college shirt. To end the week, we have a home game against Pearl, and you know what that means, a pep rally. Be sure to wear your Coach Santamont shirts Friday as we honor Coach at the pep rally and game. That's all for the announcements for this week. Up next is Rihanna Dallas with your Weather 9 report.
Hello, Indian Nation. My name is Rihanna, and I am here with Haley, reporting to you the weather forecast for this week. On today and Tuesday, you will see a 37% chance of cloudy skies and thunderstorms. Temperatures in the morning will begin at 71 degrees, heading towards the afternoon. Temperatures will range from 84 to 86 degrees. On Wednesday, won't be such a harsh day as the previous days, and we will have a little thunderstorm and rain.
But wait, the weekend hasn't ended yet.
On Thursday and Friday, we will have beautiful sunny and cloudy skies. Temperatures in the morning will range from 71 to 73 degrees, and in the evening, they will range from 80 to 87 degrees.
And that's all for the weather this week. This is Rihanna
And Haley
with the weather forecast.
What's up, Biloxi Indians? I'm Maddie, Micaiah James, and Aubrey. Here bringing you sports talk. In football, Biloxi Junior Varsity brought home good news with the score of 12-8 and 34-12.
Biloxi Varsity football won 20-10 against Stone County Friday.
Last Thursday, varsity volleyball won 3 out of 4 sets and against West Harrison. With junior varsity taking a win of 25-5 first set and second set with 24-14.
If you're interested in doing tryouts will be on October 1st at 10 a.m. at Cypress.
That's all for sports talk. Next up is Teacher Spotlight with Ariel and Madison.
What do you like most about teaching?
I like my interaction with the students and seeing them grow and be excited about learning.
Do you have a favorite student?
I don't. However, I do like students who are cooperative and respectful and do their work on time and come to class with like a good attitude. That would be kind of an ideal student.
Alright, son. Today I'm here with
Nikenda and Golden.
Alright, where y'all get y'all shirts from?
Shein. V-Long.
Okay. Shoes?
Shein. Yeah.
Oh, pants, shorts.
Shein.
Oh, alright. How much your fit cost?
Yeah. If I ask Shein on my cart, it's probably like roughly like $20, like plus tax, probably like $100 though. So, cause they be taxing. So yeah. So what you'll say?
Like $10.
$10, yeah.
Oh, all right.
That's like
nice.
20.
That's cool.
That's like a 4 for 4 though, man.
I'm Steve-O. I'm Cam. And today's question is, what is the 19th Amendment?
Women's right to vote.
Okay, that was right.
5 seconds.
Slavery was abolished.
You right.
No. Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I feel good for me. Hey, nah, wait, the what?
The 19th Amendment.
19. Women's got the vote.
Oh, yeah. What is the 19th Amendment? 19th Amendment. Not gonna lie, I forgot.
Tell the angels no. I don't want to leave my baby alone. I don't want nobody hands. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is listen. Take no love from me. Something like that. And your daughter.
Got a special thing going on. You say it's puppy love.